What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, bringing you nothing but greatness. As y'all can see right behind me, we are in the Bat Cave, aka the film studio, aka you know what's going down. And we got a good video for y'all today that's gonna be on the Torras. Okay, let's see if we can say this straight without messing it up. The Torras Q3 Air Pro for the 17 Pro Max. Dang, that's a mouthful. Now we're gonna see if not only is it worth saying that long name, but is this case gonna be protective enough for you? Is it going to have the upgrades you need? Y'all have to stick around and make a decision for yourself, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and bring in our scales of justice, y'all, and see how much this is going to weigh for this Torras case. It's Q3 Air Pro. That was a long name, but we're going to see if it's worth it. Okay, so bring in our scale, kind of reset that right there. So y'all can see on camera. Got it zeroed out. So let's see how much it's going to add to your phone, okay, guys? So this is going to be 60 grams. You guys can see right there on the dot, 60 grams. So it's not the heaviest case, not the lightest case. So we might be looking at a little bit of a Goldilocks paradox with this case, okay? So it's not the heaviest, not the lightest, somewhere in between, okay? All right, now that we've done our weigh, guys, let's go ahead and let's take a look around first. I'm going to point out some stuff, y'all, that is kind of new and or different about this case. First thing I'm going to start off with, no BS, guys. Just straight off the gate, let you know how much this costs. Okay, this is going to be $79.99. Now, for a lot of people, that could be a steep price, but let's see what you get for $80, okay? So this to me is their answer to the next level up from their Q3 Air series, okay? So again, this is the Q3 Air Pro. Now, what do you get with the Pro version of this? Well, let's go ahead and go through this, guys, together. Now, the first thing that I want to point out for y'all is going to be, and one of the biggest selling points of this is going to be the double cushion protection that you guys see right here at the top. So it's going to have basically a dynamic like outer air barrier, and then you're going to have a denser internal structure to be able to absorb it. Now that's going to go up to, okay, you guys can see that, right? 16 feet of fall protection right there. Now, as you guys saw with the weigh-in, this is that Goldilocks formula, okay? So it's not a super heavy case. It's not going to add too much weight to your case. Now, it might add a little bit of bulk, in my opinion. You guys can see, right? It's not the slimmest case in the world. It does, again, add a little bit of bulk, but in my humble opinion, it's not the bulkiest case that I've ever had. It actually has a good feel in the hand, okay? So, again, you got that chin, that protective top portion right there is going to be the really top selling point. They call it the air duet. Basically, a way that I can say this, y'all, is super easy. Is double airbags, double protection, okay, for that top especially. Then you're going to see that same thing flow over into your corners. Like, for example, this is the bottom left-hand corner you guys can see right here. Then you got the bottom right hand corner, so it's going to have that same technology. Now, what's really cool about this, just I'm kind of going out of order, guys. Okay, I'm not going in a specific order, but you can see the bottom is going to have like kind of like a smoother opening right there that you guys can see. So it's actually going to have a good little hold, you know. Doesn't feel bad when you're holding it on your pinky, okay? Now on the right, so this is the left right here. This is the left side of the case. So on the left side of your case right there, you guys can see you've got fully covered action, volume up, volume down. Now, I think these are plastic, but they actually feel pretty good. Then you're gonna have this ridge right here, this grip. Now for that right there in particular, this is going to be basically their anti-slip grooves right here. So all the way down the left side, then not all the way, but like halfway down the right side with your covered power and your camera control. Now let's look at the front right here. Let me find my little handy dandy clean and wipe, because we can't do this with a dirty ass phone. Okay, so looking at the front, let's see what kind of lip we're working with. Okay, so if you guys can see on camera, you are going to have a lower raised lip in the middle on either side of that phone case, and then you're going to have a raised or a ramp style, right? So it's going to go higher on the bottom and then on the top. So what does that mean? Well, let's take it out. You can throw it on your phone just like you saw me do right there without worrying. So you are going to have good protection. Now, a lot of companies, what they'll do with that is they'll have this middle part low, like all the way low. Now, I'm using a screen protector, and on this case, I've actually got, you know how we measure on my channel, right? I got about 3 hairs worth of raised lip, even with a screen protector beyond this top and bottom. So that's actually really good right there. And I wish other brands would do the same thing. If you're gonna do a top and bottom raised in the middle lower. Don't have the middle too low. That was the left. That was the right. We already looked at the bottom. Just give you that shot again, guys. Nice symmetrical cutouts. I actually like the way the design is on that too, so that looks pretty sharp. Let's see, top. We already talked about the double layer impact shield that's on there. Now let's look at the back. Now on the back, you do have a high raised camera plateau area. It's not gonna be fully covered. Y'all see it's open right here, okay? But let me just kind of get on camera. If you guys can see right there, okay? You're gonna have at least 2, maybe 3 hairs worth of raisivity on this camera plateau and camera bump protection. So your cameras are going to be protected very well down in that little valley there. Now, the another huge selling point of this is going to be the O-ring. Okay, so AKA the built-in kickstand. Now, this is going to be really good for viewing your content. Y'all can see it like this, okay? So if you're one of more of a vertical content consumer, or if you like to go horizontal, so you're going to have that ability on there as well. So with this built-in kickstand. Now we're going to put it through the paces. So we'll see the magnet strength on there, which is supposed to be really good with this case. But we're always going to put it to the test, right, guys? We don't just take anybody's word for it. But like I mentioned, airbags, real good on there. Stand, magnetic force. Now I am going to show you guys something that's really cool about this, kind of like a trick, but you're going to have to stick around a little bit more for that, okay? A trick with this case that's really legit function. Okay, so stick around for that. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start and put it through our paces of the Bobby G suite of tests, starting off first with our Big Chungus. Okay, so we're going to do this double style. We're going to check it with a regular USB-C and then Big Chungus. That way you have a full idea of experience what will fit your phone. So here's our Big Chungus power cord right there. We're going to bring this in just so you guys can see right there on camera. Bring that in. And unfortunately, the Big Chungus is not going to make the cut. So if you have a larger USB charger, trying to show you that on camera, larger USB charger, it's not going to be able to squeeze in there, okay? But maybe you're not like me. Maybe you don't have a Big Chungus. Maybe you got something, you know, sleek and normal, just like this, like just a regular USB-C charger. So let's plug that in. And you guys heard it, okay? So you're going to get a nice fit, trying to show you guys on either side. You've got a lot of room to grow, top, bottom, sides with a normal size USB-C charging cable. What we're going to check next, you already know, it's going to be that magnet, that MagSafe strength, that wireless charging. So let's flip this over so you guys can see that right there. Beautiful. So we do have that charging animation on there. Let's check that magnet strength, okay? Because we're gonna do it with my Camolo test later, but this is just wireless and MagSafe, and you guys can see that ain't going nowhere. So good strong magnets on there. Let's kind of give it our grind test. See if we get any transfer on there. So we kind of turn that a couple of times, guys. And on camera, y'all tell me, do you see any transfer on there? Now in person, I don't see any transfer. And honestly, I didn't think this color was going to work too well in my case, okay? So again, they've got this in 3 colors. I'm going to go ahead and flash them on the screen for you right now. It does come in black, okay? You've got white, black, and then you've got brown. So the one that I've got is going to be the brown, which I actually think it works really good with the orange. Like it checks out. So very good. Okay, so we got that. That all lines up. We saw that the wireless charging works. Now let's go ahead and bring in our tripod, our Camolo, our tried and true. Really the reason why you come to my channel, right? Because, you know, besides my dashing personality. Got our Camolo tripod. Let's get it on there. And we're going to give it our shake, 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 shake test. And you guys saw right there, we're going to have strong magnets. I mentioned to you, like a little trick, something that's different with this case that is not going to be present in a lot of other cases that I've reviewed on this channel so far. Let's bring in our prop. You can be like, why the hell do we have a metal tin on your channel? Well, let me show you. You see that? That is actually really slick, okay? So this is going to have magnetic ability to be able to stick it to stuff. So if like you want to consume stuff while you're at the gym, film yourself while you're working out, film yourself while you're doing some kind of crazy off-road, like biking or some crap like that. You know, I don't know, whatever use you might have for it, it does have that built-in capability. So I thought that was pretty slick, and I just wanted to show y'all that. So it will be able to magnetize to metal surfaces. Very good. So let's see here. We did our USB-C check. We did our magnets. We did our MagSafe. Now let's kind of look around and just talk about what this case brings and then my personal opinions. Now, if I didn't say in the beginning, I'm going to give y'all the full transparency, guys. So Torras did send this case over to me to check out and to review for you guys. However, y'all know on my channel, I'm going to give it to you straight. No BS. No fluff. What do I think about the case, and who do I think this case is right for? Now let's get into it, okay? Now, some of the highlights of this case, again, we already talked about it, that double airbag protection for 16-foot drop, right? You got that. That's kind of like one of the selling points. You got the legit little O-ring to be able to consume your stuff, right? That's another selling point. That magnetic part, that anti-slip. You know what? Let's check out these buttons, y'all, while we at it, okay? So I'm going to bring this off camera, y'all. Just listen in. We're going to do the action, and then we'll go to the volume up and volume down. Okay, let's go ahead and flip it over to the other side, guys. It's going to be your power button and then your camera control. Okay, let's go ahead and do our camera control. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and see how well this camera controls. So let's say what's up to the camera. Hi, everybody. Do us a little start of a video there. What up, what up, what up? And then stop it with our camera control button. Where's that at? Right there. So that's going to work without no issue, no fluff, no problems. Okay, so I think we got through everything, guys. I think we got through everything for this case. Like I mentioned to you guys, all the different functions and features, the grip on there actually feels really good. Let me give you my final thoughts on who I think this case is for and who I think this case is not for. And then you make your own judgment if you want to purchase it. And y'all already know what I'm going to say, right? If you consider purchasing it, use the link in my video description. Help the channel out so I can keep making unbiased, honest, and real videos for you guys, okay? So, I said all that crap just to get to the summary. Now let's go over it. Now this case is not cheap. It is $80. So if all of the stuff that I mentioned to you, being Goldilocks in the middle of the weight, having the extra protection, having the added O-ring, magnet capabilities, all that stuff. If you're someone that wants a very rugged case which you could take like, you know, on trails or take to the gym with you, or, you know, kind of like rugged scenarios, this is a good case. It has a good grip. It has a good weight ratio. It's going to have good camera protection and good drop protection on there. It's a good all-rounder, okay? So again, if you're that person that you meet that criteria, you need all those functions, you need the kickstand, you like the Torras style, you like this Torras look with the branding on there, then this is your phone. If you're looking for your phone case, if you're looking for a minimal case, an ultra thin case, a very, very low profile case, this is not the case for you. You could look elsewhere. And I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the video to the Q3 Air that I did for the 17 Pro Max, just so you guys can kind of see some of the similarities, but a lot of the upgrades and changes that they made to the Q3 Air Pro series for the 17 Pro Max. Okay, so that way you can kind of see which one fits into your wheelhouse better. But guys, I appreciate your time. We're hitting close towards the end here, guys. Let's chat it up in the comments section, okay? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your opinions. By the way, guys, my goal on my channel this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 560-ish subscribers, with the majority of people that are checking out my videos not being subscribers, guys. So it costs you nothing to subscribe. It costs you nothing to like and comment on this video. Share with your friends. Help the algorithm to get my channel out there for more people. Hopefully I bring value to you guys. I give you guys my all. And hopefully that shines through, right? I'm showing you me, not some fluff, not some script, not some BS, but just open honesty about this stuff, okay? And I'll let you make your opinions. So again, appreciate you guys so much for being here. Thank you for being a Bobby G corner watcher, attender, family member, community member, however you want to say it. I appreciate y'all so much. It's me. I'm out. Peace.